right? All these we did it. When you are solving statement to do, don't carry forward statement, right? All these we did it in examples. I hope it is clear. Fantastic questions. Fantastic questions we will solve. Already foundation problems. 3 problems we did it. 3 problems we did it. I hope it is clear. Sir, one important key point, one student I was telling Priya the other day and I called this question. Please write down, sir, this one. Right? Somebody has asked me this concept. Descartes rule. Sir, why it is working? Now see here. Number of positive real roots. Number of positive real roots is nothing but change in sign. Change in sign. Right? From right hand side of the equation. From the right hand side of the equation to the left hand side. Number of sign changes. Number of sign changes. It will give you number of positive real roots. Somebody asked me why it is giving you positive real roots. Just I will take this. Now see here. F of x is x square minus 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6. Positive to negative, 1 sign change. Negative to positive, 2 sign changes. So it will take 2 positive real roots. Why it is sign changes is giving you 2 positive real roots. See here, sir. See here. Sum of the roots is given by 5. Minus of minus 5. Alpha product of the roots is given by 6. Alpha plus beta is nothing but plus 5. Alpha beta is nothing but 6. If product of 2 it is positive. This will be positive, this will be positive. Or this will be negative, this will be negative. Am I right? Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, it is positive. When product of the roots is positive, both can be positive or both can be negative. Suppose if I take positive here, positive plus positive, it is positive. Am I right? Negative plus negative, it is negative. So negative, it is eliminated, because if you add 2 negative real roots, it will never get to positive real roots. That is the reason number of sign changes is giving you 2 positive real roots. I hope it is clear. Write Descartes rule. Why it is applied? I hope it is clear. Descartes will give you maximum number of positive real roots, right? If there is a change in sign. Somebody asked me a doubt, so I thought I will discuss that one. Why sign changes is giving you positive real roots. I hope it is clear. Now, I can say it confidently, sir. Next 1 hour or 1.5 hours, every question you will fall in love with the way the question is designed. I fell in love when I was creating this kind of question. Huge amount of time I invested in designing that kind of questions where maximum number of students will tend to do mistake. Now, see this question number 1. What is the value of x? X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. Students who do not have a great understanding of the concept, directly they will substitute statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone will give an answer, and that answer is x equivalent to 3 they will substitute. Because x cube is a 2-digit positive integer, what is the mistake they will do? X cube is a 2-digit positive integer. They will immediately conclude that x is an integer. They will immediately conclude that x is an integer and they will substitute 3. This is the mistake. This is the mistake. When I say x cube is a 2-digit positive integer, when x cube is a 2-digit positive integer, x can also take a surd. 11 power 1 by 3. What is 11 power 1 by 3 power 3? 11. 11 is a 2-digit positive integer. That is the root cause of this problem. X is 13 power 1 by 3. 15 power 1 by 3. It can take up to 99 power 1 by 3. X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. That does not mean that x is an integer. X could be a third also, which is of the form 11 power 1 by 3 till 99 power 1 by 3. What is the value of x? I got more than one answer. Statement 1 alone is incorrect. I hope you are all there with me. Statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. That also means x can be 11 power 1 by 4. X can be 13 power 1 by 4. X can be 99 power 1 by 4. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. Does not mean that x is an integer. X can take any one value. Statement 2 alone is giving you more than one answer. It is giving you more than one answer. It is giving you greater than one answer. Every question is carefully designed, sir, so that a student can understand the mistake which he is doing it. Statement 1 alone is greater than one answer. Statement 2 alone also is giving you greater than one answer. If I combine both of them, x is 27 power 1 by 3 and 81 power 1 by 4. If you combine both, x is 3. 3 cube is 27, 3 power 4 is 81. So answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. It is not. I told you at the beginning of the class, 99% of the students, right, they will do mistake in almost all the questions, right, whatever I am designing you. I am telling you how I prepared the paper questions for the mock papers, how I prepare my own questions. I am telling you the question paper setter's perspective. I am not telling you the tutor's perspective. If I were to prepare the question, what makes a student to do incorrect? I want to tempt him to feel that it is an easy question and make him get into a trap. Answer is statement 1 and 2 together. Statement 1 and 2 together. Kindly give a thumbs up if you like this question and understood the mistake which you are committing in this question. It is, I have more to do as an author of 9 mathematical books. My role is not to give an explanation to a question, but to tell you or create a questions to make you understand this could be the mistake that could happen. I am like that Gary Kiston to a Virat Kohli to tell him that don't take the middle wicket, take the leg wicket, right? And if Vinod Kambli does not have a great coach, he always used to take, right, the middle wicket, and Courtney Walsh realized that his weakness is leaving the leg wicket and his career got diluted. One of the greatest batsmen who got early retirement in early 20s is Vinod Kambli, because neither he respected a great coaches, right, areas of suggestion for him, or he felt that I don't need any mentoring. Ego has dominated his right cricketing skills and his career got diluted. Don't be a Vinod Kambli of your life. Be that Virat Kohli of your life. I hope it is clear. Next one. Statement question number 1. Answer is statement 1 and 2 together. Next one. Another question. Is Z even number? 5Z is even, 3Z is even. None of these questions you will find it in the regular textbook. Mistake. Again, statement students will do statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone. They will tick mark all the incorrect answers as the right answer. They will also tick mark cannot be determined. First I will tell the mistake. What they will do in mistake? they will do the mistake. Now see here, 5z is an even number. If 5z is an even number, z can be 2, 4, 6 or 8. All are even. Z can be 2 by 5, 4 by 5 and so on up to here. 5z even, they will consider z also as an even number. Z is not only an even number, z can be even number and fraction. Z can be even number and fraction. Z can be even number and fraction. Because of this mistake, they will tend to make statement 1 or statement 2 alone. They will tick mark it. They will also tick mark cannot be determined. I will tell you what is the mistake they will do. 5z is even. Is there any domain that is specified on z? No. Z is not given as a natural number. Do not assume. Z is not given as natural number. Please don't assume and spoil the right attempt and reduce your score. Z is not given as natural number. Z is not given as natural number. Then what we should do? Right now see here. Listen carefully. Y cannot be determined will come. 5z is an even number. 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 Z can be 2, 4, 6 or 8 and so on. Z can be 2 by 5. Z can be 4 by 5. Z can be 6 by 5 and so on. Multiple values I am getting. Statement 1 is giving you more than one answer. 3z is an even number. If 3z is an even number, z can be 2, 4, 6 or 8 and so on. Z can be 2 by 3. Z can be 4 by 3, 6 by 3 and so on. Statement 2 is giving you more than one answer. Statement 1 greater than one answer. Statement 2, it is giving you greater than one answer. Now do any mathematical operation that is possible. Let me take statement 1 and 2 together. Statement 1 and 2 together. If I take statement 1 and 2 together, 5z is an even number, 3z is an even number. 5z is even, 3z is even. Let me do subtraction. 5z minus 3z. 2z is an even number. 2z is an even number. 2z is an even number. Now tell me, 2z is an even number. Which all values that is possible? Z can be 1 that is possible. Am I right? 2 into 1, 2. Z can be 2 that is possible. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 1, 2, 3 and so on. How many values you are getting? Students will think that greater than one answer you are getting. They might tick mark the answer. Cannot be determined uniquely. Cannot be determined uniquely. 5z is even, 3z is even. 5z minus 3z is 2z is even. Z can be 2 by 2 is 1 beta. 4 by 2 is 2. 6 by 2 is 2. 1, 2, 3 greater than one answer. Now see the catch. Now see the catch. See the catch in the question. See the catch. 5z is even, 3z is even. If I do subtraction, 2z is even. Listen carefully to the statement. Answer obtained after combining both the statements should satisfy the statements combined. Again I am repeating. Answer obtained after combining both the statements should satisfy the statements combined. From where you got 2z? 2z you got from 5z and 3z. Because of 2z even, this is the value. This is the answer obtained from the statements combined. Answer obtained from the statements combined should satisfy the statements combined. Z is 1. Is 5 into 1 5 even? No. Z1 is out. 3 into 1 not possible. 5 into 2 10 even. 3 into 2 6 even. 5 into 3, 15, not possible. 3 into 3, 9, not possible. 1, 3, 5, 7, it will be possible. Answer is not, cannot be determined. It will result in 2, 4, 6 or 8. All are even numbers. Definitely it is an even number. So answer is nothing but statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Please write down these important key point in your notebook. I will write down here also. 5z is even. 5z is even. 3z is even. If I do a mathematical operation subtraction, 2z is even. Z is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Please write down the statement. Answer obtained. Answer obtained. After combining both the statements. Answer obtained. After combining both the statements. After combining both the statements. Should satisfy. Should satisfy the statements combined. Should satisfy the statements combined. So the value of z should satisfy 5z and 3z. Z is 1. 5 into 1, 5. Odd number, not possible. 3 into 1, 3. Not possible. These not possible. All odd are out. Z2. 5 into 2, 10 even. 3 into 2, 6 even. So Z, even though you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3 all are out. Resultant Z value is 2, 4, 6 and so on. 2, 4, 6 and so on. These are nothing but all are even numbers. Definitely even numbers. Answer is statement 1 and 2 together. Please watch this class again. This is a tricky topic. I will make the class public after it is over. Please watch it entire class again so that you will not get any doubts. Answer is statement 1 and 2 together. I hope it is clear. You got any doubts? Kindly put it in the live chat. Kindly put it in the live chat. Right? Now let me see the live chat. Priya says why only 27? Now see here. Now you tell me these are the values x has got, Priya, for you. If I take 11 power 1 by 3, 11 power 1 by 3 power 3, 11 is a 2-digit positive integer. 11 power 1 by 3 power 4, 11 power 4 by 3 is not a 2-digit positive integer. This is out. 13 power 1 by 3, 13 power 4 by 3, it is out. I hope it is clear. Like that 27 power 1 by 3, 27 power 1 by, here 27 power 1 by 3, the value of x is 3. Here also 81 power 1 by 4, the value of x is 3. 81 power 1 by 4 is 3. 27 power 1 by 3 is 3. 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. I hope the idea it is clear. Priya, it is clear. Keep on substituting the values. By looking at the question itself, everybody can say that x equivalent to 3 will satisfy, but you cannot substitute x equivalent to 3 only at the beginning. X can take 11 power 1 by 3 to 99 power 1 by 3. 11 power 1 by 4 to 99 power 1 by 4. I hope the idea is clear. Second question, very beautiful question, which makes a student do a mistake, right? I hope it is clear. Z is 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2 is an. The question is starting with is. You should only answer. You are not interested in finding the value of Z. Z is always even or Z is not always even. Only you should say your answer like this. Z is 2 even. Yes. 4 even, yes. 6 even, yes. Yes. Definitely yes, you are getting for every value. Therefore the answer is statement 1 and 2 together. I hope it is clear. Mahesh, in this question I am not finding the value of z. I am telling whether z is even or not. The behavior of z should satisfy the behavior of an even number. I hope it is clear. Third question. Please write down third question. Is, again it is a trap. Is n by 18 an integer? First I will write. Second one, let me see. Ramesh is saying, sir, in the second question answer may be 4. Ramesh, please read the question properly. Am I asking for the value of z? Am I asking for the nature of z? I am asking for the nature of z. Is 2 even number? Yes. Is 4 even number? Yes. Is 6 even number? Read the question properly, beta. He is not asking what is the value of z. He is asking is z even? 2 is even. 4 is even. 6 is even. Every element in z is even. All the values are even. Definitely yes. So answer is statement 1 and 2 together. Next one. Is n by, I hope it is clear, Ramesh. Mistake. Again third question. Right? 5n by 18 is an integer and 3n by 18 is an integer. Students will do statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone or cannot be determined. They will tick mark any of these three because of half knowledge. See here. 5n by 18 is an integer. If 5n by 18 is an integer, n can be multiples of 18. 18, 36, 54 and so on. N can also be 18 by 5. 5n by 18 integer does not mean that n will be an integer. N can be 18 by 5. There is no domain of n that is mentioned. N can be a real number. N can be 36 by 5 and so on. Greater than one answer I am getting. Statement 1 alone is not possible. I hope it is clear. He is asking is n by 18. So what they will do is they will tick mark statement 1 alone because 18 by 18 1 is an integer. 36 by 18 2 is an integer. For all these values you will get an integer. For all these values you will not get an integer. Answer is yes or no. Please do not in hurry solve the question without knowing the complete conceptual clarity. Second one, 3n by 18 it is an integer. That means n by 6 is an integer. N by 6 is an integer. That means n can be 6, 12, 18, multiples of 6, 24 and so on. 6 by 18, 1 by 3 is not an integer. 18 by 18, 1 it is an integer. Praveen? I hope it is clear. Just give me few seconds time, sir. This loose undi, konjam tight cheyi. 18 by 18. 18 by 18. It is an integer. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Statement 2 alone cannot give you the answer. I hope it is clear. Why statement 1 alone and statement 2 alone is not the answer, right? Again I am repeating, 5n by 18 is an integer, does not mean that n is an integer. N can take fraction also. Here n can be multiples of 6. 6 by 18, 1 by 3 is a fraction. 18 by 18, 1 is an integer. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Uniqueness, definiteness and no assumptions. These are the three important things that should be there in your mind. Now let me combine. 5n by 18. 5n by 18. It is an integer. 5n by 18. It is an integer. 3n by 18. it is an integer. Just give me few seconds time, sir. 5n by 18, it is an integer, and 3n by 18. 3n by 18, it is an integer. 5n by 18 integer and 3n by 18 integer. Do subtraction, your job becomes easier. 3n by 18, it is an integer. Subtract both of them. 5n by 18 minus 3n by 18, 2n by 18. 2n by 18. 2n by 18, it is an integer. If 2n by 18 is an integer, n by 9 is an integer. For n by 9 to be an integer, n value can take any multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27 and so on. 9, 18, 27. There is a chance that you might tick mark the answer. You might tick mark the answer as cannot be determined. But what is the statement I said? What is the, this is also a mistake. What is the statement I said? The answer obtained after combining both the statements, should satisfy the statements combined. 5 into 9 by 18, 5 by 8, 2, it is not an integer, 9 is eliminated. 5 into 18 by 18, 3 into 18 by 18, 27, it is not possible. 18, 36, 54 is the final value. Any multiple of 18 divided by 18 is always an integer. Answer for this question is statement 1 and 2 together. Answer for this question is statement 1 and 2 together. Please write down. 5n by 18 is an integer. 3n by 18 is an integer. If I do subtraction, 2n by 18 is an integer. This is n by 9 is an integer. N by 9 is an integer. N will be a multiple of 9. But multiple of 9 divided by 18, it is not an integer. Odd multiples all are cancelled out. Remaining only thing that is left is 18, 36, 54. When divided by 18, it is an integer. I hope the idea it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea it is clear. It is clear. Why statement 1 alone is incorrect? Statement 1 alone is incorrect. Why? Because n can be multiples of 18 and also the 18 by 5, 36 by 5. Statement 2 alone is incorrect because n can be multiples of 6. Statement cannot be determined. It is also incorrect. Why? Because n is a multiple of 9. Any multiple of 9, the answer obtained should satisfy the statements combined. 9, 18, 27, 36. 5 into 9 by 18, not possible. Not possible. All the multiples of 18, all the multiples of 18 by 18 is an integer. Very, very good question, sir. You cannot get these questions anywhere, sir. Statement 1 and 2 together is the answer for this question. Quality question, conceptual question, telling a student where there could be a possible mistake. Next one. Another question. Is the area of a right angled triangle greater than 25? First mistake. What the students will do is, they will tick mark the answer statement 1 and 2 together. 1 is A here. Statement 1 and 2 together. What they will do? One it is 6, another it is 10. So it is 8. So half into 6 into 8. It is 24. Therefore the answer is no. This is a mistake. Why it is a mistake? What is the flow chart? Flow chart is nothing but first to do statement 1 First do statement 1 alone, then do statement 2 alone, then do statement 1 and 2 together. You cannot combine both the statements together without doing statement 1 and 2 alone. Statement 1 and 2 alone should give greater than 1 answer or no answer. Statement 2 should give greater than 1 answer or no answer. Then only you should combine. Then only you should combine. You cannot combine two statements together without doing each statement alone. So this is another mistake. We will get another mistake. I hope it is clear. Right, now see here. First one. One side is, question is area. It is a right angled triangle. Is area greater than 25? One side is 6, perpendicular side. This is A, this is B, this is 6. If it is 6, if this is 1, half into 6 into 1, because this is 90 degrees. 3 is less than 25. If one side only I know, another side I can take it as 100. This is nothing but half into 6 into 100. This is 300, greater than 25. I am getting less than sometimes, I am getting greater than sometimes, less than sometimes, greater than. So I am getting the answer sometimes yes or sometimes no. I don't want sometimes yes or sometimes no. Sometimes yes or sometimes no. That means I am getting greater than one answer. If I am getting greater than one answer for statement A, then I will go to statement B alone. This is the explanation for statement A alone, which is giving me greater than one answer. Now statement B. Statement A alone is giving me greater than one answer. Statement B alone. Statement B alone is largest side is 10 feet. Largest side in a right angled triangle. Largest side of a right angled triangle. Largest side of a right angled triangle. It is nothing but hypotenuse. It is nothing but hypotenuse. Okay, the question is related to hypotenuse. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is given as 10. Now, there is something which you should know it. It's a beautiful question created, sir. Right? A right angled triangle. A right angled triangle that is possible with hypotenuse 10. Maximum side is nothing but 5 root 2. So, what will be the area? Half into 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Answer is 25. For an isosceles right angle triangle with hypotenuse 10, maximum area itself is 25. Can it be greater than 25? Answer is definitely no. Answer is definitely no. So if it is definitely no, can I definitely say the answer? Yes. So answer for this question is statement B alone. Answer for this question is statement B alone. Answer for this question is statement B alone. I hope it is clear. Are you facing any technical issues? We are interested in telling whether that number satisfies a particular property, if it is an even number or an odd number. Beautiful question. I hope this question is clear. Statement B alone. Largest side of a right angled triangle is nothing but the hypotenuse. Area will be maximum for an isosceles right angled triangle if that is 10x plus x. X square plus x square equivalent to 100. X will be 5 root 2. If the hypotenuse is 10, right? A hypotenuse is 10, then the side will be x and x. So 5 root 2, 5 root 2. So maximum area itself will be 25. Can it be greater than 25? No. I hope the idea is clear because the video got struck. Statement B. Largest side is nothing but hypotenuse. Area will be maximum for a right angled triangle. X square plus x square equivalent to 2x square. 2x square equivalent to 100. X is nothing but 5 root 2. So answer is half into 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Answer is nothing but 25. Can it be greater than 25? Answer is definitely no. Answer is definitely no. Because it is definitely no. So answer for this question is statement B alone. Statement B alone. I hope it is clear, right? I hope the statement B alone. Right, next one. Another question. Is x greater than 10 power 10? X is greater than 2 power 34. X equivalent to 2 power 35. 2 power 34. It is nothing but 2 power 10 power 3 into 2 power 4. 2 power 10 is greater than 1000. 10 cube power 3 into 2 power 4. It is nothing but 16 into 10 power 9. It is nothing but 1.6 into 10 power 10. 1.6 into 10 power 10 will anyway be greater than 10 power 10. So, if 2 power 34 is greater than 10 power 10, 2 power 35 will anyway be greater than 2 power 34. It is greater than 10 power 10. So, answer is each statement alone. Each statement alone is enough. Each statement alone is enough to get this answer. I hope the idea is clear. 2 power 34 is 2 power 10 power 3 into 2 power 4. 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power 10 is 1024. It is greater than 1000. 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. 10 cube power 3 into 2 power 4. 16 into 10 power 9. It is 1.6 into 10 power 10. 1.6 into 10 power 10 is greater than 10 power 10. So, if 2 power 34 is greater than 10 power 10, second statement is 2 power 35, anyway it will be greater. Each statement alone is enough. This is a very easy question. Comparison of the powers. Comparison of the powers. Next one. What is x? It's a very, very good question, sir. First we will see the concept. Concept. Mod x equivalent to x if x is greater than 0. Mod x equivalent to minus x if x is less than 0. X is less than 0. X is less than 0. Most of the students, what they will do is, they will tick mark. They will tick mark the answer to be statement 1 and 2 together. They will tick mark the statement answer to be statement 1 and 2 together. Statement 1 and 2 together. Statement 1 and 2 together. First we will see the approach. Another important concept. Those of you do not know the modulus function. Mod x less than a. X lies between minus a to a. Minus a to a. Statement 1 alone. If I take statement 1 alone, this is nothing but mod x less than 2. Mod x less than 2 is x lies from minus 2 to 2. Nothing is specified could be, right? X can take any real value. X can take any real value from minus 2 to 2. X can take any real number from minus 2 to 2. I hope it is clear. So, more than one answer. Statement 1 is giving you more than one answer. Statement 1 is giving you more than one answer. Now, let us go to statement 2. Statement 2. Statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone. Two cases we will see. Mod x is nothing but 3x minus 2. mod x equivalent to x if x is greater than 0, mod x equivalent to minus x if x is less than 0. This is nothing but x equivalent to 3x minus 2, 2x is nothing but 2, x is nothing but 1 value. Mod x is minus x. So wherever mod x is there, substitute minus x when x is less than 0. Minus x is 3x minus 2, 4x equivalent to 2, x equivalent to 1 by 2. They will say that statement 2 alone is giving you greater than 1 answer, but it is mistake. What is the mistake? This is the mistake. What is the mistake? In hurriedly you are doing it. Here mod x is minus x if x is less than 0. I got the answer 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2 less than 0? 1 by 2 is less than 0. 1 by 2 is 0.5. It cannot be less than 0. This value cannot satisfy. Only one value which will satisfy is x equivalent to 1. Unique answer I got. Only one answer I got. So answer for this question is statement 2 alone. Silly mistake, don't do it. Mod x is 3x minus 2 when x is less than 0. Mod x is minus x. Minus x equivalent to 3x minus 2. X will become 1 by 2. X will become 1 by 2. I hope the idea it is clear. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 is not less than 0. 0.5 is greater than 0. Even though you got two answer, second one is not satisfying the right condition that is imposed on x. So second one is out. Answer is statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone. I hope the idea is clear. Next, similarly, what is the value of y? Statement 1 alone. Because I discussed a statement 1 alone. Always remember, modulus always gives a, modulus always gives positive value as output. Modulus always gives positive value as an output. So statement 1 alone, y minus 2 is definitely greater than 0. X could be any real value. Modulus answer comes out to be positive. So y is greater than 2. Y will be greater than 2. Y greater than 2, that means y can take any real number. Y can take any real number greater than 2. Y can take any real number greater than 2. More than one answer I got. More than one answer I got. Statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone. Mod 3 minus y equivalent to 11. Again, two conditions. Mod 3 minus y equivalent to 3 minus y. If 3 minus y is greater than 0, it is equivalent to y minus 3. It is if mod 3 minus y is less than 0. I hope it is clear. So y is nothing but 14 or how much we got? Minus 8. 14 or minus 8. Two answers I am getting it. Two answers I am getting. Statement 2 alone is giving you two answers. Statement 1 is giving you infinite answer. If I combine statement 1 and 2 together, statement 1 and 2 together, the answer will be y is greater than 2 and y is equivalent to 14. The value which is greater than 2 and y equivalent to 14. So y equivalent to 14 will satisfy. Answer is statement 1 and 2 together. I hope the idea is clear. Modulus always gives positive value as an output. This is nothing but positive. Y minus 2 greater than 0. Y is greater than 2. 3 minus y is 11. So 3 minus y will be 11 when mod x is x greater than 0. Mod x is minus x if x is less than 0. 14 or minus 8. Again two answers. Combining both, 14 is greater than 2. Idea clear? Next one. Next one. This is a very easy question, sir. M minus 3z is greater than 0. Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone. M is greater than 3z. M is greater than 3z. It can be positive, it can be positive. It can be positive, it can be negative. It can be negative, this can be negative. 3 cases. More than one answer I am getting. Similarly, statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone. 4z is greater than m. This can be positive, this can be positive. This can be positive, this can be negative. This can be negative, this can be negative. Greater than one answer. Greater than one answer. If I do statement 1 and 2 together, if I do statement 1 and 2 together, m minus 3z greater than 0, 4z minus m greater than 0, that means z is greater than 0. If z is greater than 0, z is greater than 0, z is greater than 0, substitute in the equation, m is greater than 0, z greater than 0, m greater than 0, z greater than 0, m greater than 0, m plus z will be greater than 0. I hope it is clear. M plus z is greater than 0. So what is the answer for this question? Statement 1 and 2 together. Statement 1 and 2 together. Just go by the flow chart, sir. Statement 1 alone do it. Then do statement 2 alone. If statement 1 alone is giving you greater than one answer or no answer, go to statement 2 alone. If statement 2 alone is giving you greater than one answer or no answer, then go to statement 1 and 2 together. I hope it is clear. Answer is statement 1 and 2 together. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next one. Read this question, sir. Martha bought. There is a person by name Martha. He bought some pencils. If each pencil was either a 23-cent pencil or a 21-cent pencil, how many 23-cent pencils did Martha buy? Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone. There is a 23-cent pencil. There is a 23-cent pencil. There is a 21-cent pencil. There is a 21-cent pencil. Number of pencils he purchased. Number of pencils he purchased. Let me call it as X and Y. Martha bought a total of 6 pencils. X plus Y is nothing but 6. X plus Y is nothing but 6. It could take multiple values. 1 plus 5 it can take, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1 and so on. More than one answer it is giving you, because x plus y equivalent to 6, a linear equation with 2 variables, it is giving you more than one answer. Statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone. 99% of the students will do a mistake on this question. They will tick mark the mistake to be. They will take the mistake to be statement 1 plus 2 together, because 2 variables, 2 equations. What they will do is x plus y equivalent to 6, 23x plus 21y equivalent to 130. 2 variables, 2 equations, they will do it. You can combine both the statements together only after doing each statement individually. Only after doing each statement individually. So I did not do statement 2 alone. So I don't know whether statement 1 and 2 together will give you the answer. Now see. Statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone will give you the answer. 23 set pencil, 21 set pencil. It is nothing but 130. This unit digit is 0. If y is 1, 1 ones are 1. X can be 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 1 ones are 1. Right? Now see, 23 threes are 69. 69 plus 21 is 90. 90 is not 130. This value is not possible. If y is 2, 1 twos are 2. It should give me 8. 3 6 are 18. 23 6 are 118 plus 42, which is nothing but 160, but I want 130. Not possible. If it is 3, if this is 3, 1 threes are 3, these nothing but I should get 7. 7 means, suppose if I take 3, 23 threes are 16 9. 23 threes are 16 9 plus 21 threes are 63, which is 133. If it is 4, 1 fours are, if it is 2, 2 threes are 23x plus 21y. It is nothing but 130. I am finding the values, sir. If y is 4, x will be 6. 23 twos are 46. 46 plus 84 is 130. Definitely, I got a unique solution. It is coincidental that 2 plus 4 equivalent to 6. I did not even use it this statement 1. Statement 2, I used it. 23 twos are 46, 21 fours are 84. 46 plus 84 is 130. 130, that is nothing but the total value. Total value is coming out to be 130. So answer for this question is statement 2 alone. I hope the idea it is clear. Statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone is the answer. I hope the idea is clear. Statement 1 alone. If it is giving you greater than one answer or no answer, go to statement 2 alone. No answer or greater than one answer, then go to statement 1 and 2 together. So answer is, I did not use these conditions, sir. Just I substituted unit digits. These are nothing but the unit digits. These are nothing but the unit digits. 1 fours are 4, 3 twos are 6, 46 plus 84, it is nothing but 130. 46 plus 84, it is nothing but 130. So answer is 2 and 4. How many 23 set pencils he has purchased? 2. I hope this idea is clear. This idea is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? All these ideas are clear, right, sir?